So, a Caitlin Clark blaster box. I believe this is from the Target. This one is from the Target, no? Yung Walmart will be green and the Hobby, sorry, ano bang tawag yun? The exclusive Panini online will be a little bit like bluish yung kulay. So this one is a Target box, 2 boxes for Sir Pinoy Collector. Maraming salamat. Umpisa na natin. And I believe nanonood na si Sir Pinoy Collector. Ayan na. Good afternoon everyone. Good evening. Good evening. Good evening po. So, teka, na-share ko na ba? Na-share ko naman na sa GC. I believe, yes. Okay na. Umpisa na natin to. Baboom! Uy! 2 boxes tayo ng Caitlin Clark. Excited ako to open this. Dito muna yung isa. Good luck, Sir Pinoy Collector. Ano bang pwedeng makuha natin dito, no? Ang sabi dito, di tayo makakuha ng autograph ni Caitlin Clark and 2 blaster exclusive Target parallels, no? 24 cards per box. Meron din po tayong mga number dito. We got the Donruss Target, College Contenders, Vortex, may black, may 1 of 1 din, no? Na chance. Meron tayong mga number to 399. Campus Legends, meron tayong mga SSPs, I believe, Razzle Dazzle, nandyan, on campus. We got the Auto Info Card. Ayan. Dami. So, malalaman natin yan. Lahat yan malalaman natin within the night. So, tabi ko muna si Caitlin dito sa tabi. Dito na lang. Para kita na rin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Di ko alam kung may memorabilia. So, baka naman wala. Okay, game. We do this now. Let's do this. Caitlin Clark, be good to us. This is the first time I'll be opening Caitlin Clark's highlights. Ganda. Bound for the national title game. Go Hawkeyes. Uy, nakatalikod agad ah. Ay, hindi pala. Donruss. Caitlin Clark. May highlights na to. Is it like an insert? Parang feeling ko insert yun. Parallel yun. Highlights Target. Vortex pointed. Yung mga vortex, yun number yun. Highlights or Target. So please let me know kung meron isa signature lang. Oo, pwede. Ganda nito sir. Parang baka siguro malalaman natin kung parallel siya kung may nakalagay na prism sa likod. We got the highlights. Crunch Time. Caitlin Clark. And another highlights. Oh. Iowa's Miss Basketball. So, 4 na cards per ano. Pero to, may ganon. Yung isang highlights wala. So, ito meron. I believe this one is a parallel. Baka 1 parallel, no? Or baka ito yung Target exclusive. Target parallel exclusive. Let's see. Check natin yan lahat mamaya sa ano. After. I-research ko kung anong parallel. Pero nice hit para ano, kay Sir Pinoy Collector. Numbered, no? Numbered or autograph. Hello, Sir Lobby. Oy, Caitlin na tayo. Yes, nagki-Caitlin na rin po tayo ngayon. 10 million viewers, Caitlin Clark. Oh, highlights nga. So, I think that's a parallel, no? Donruss highlights. Slaying Spartans at the buzzer. Ito ay another Caitlin. We got a school colors for Caitlin Clark and another highlights for a Captain. Ayan, babaeng babae si Caitlin Clark dito. You got the school colors. So, tingin ko ito yung mga inserts. Panini Contenders, no? Everyone is watching women's basketball nowadays because of Caitlin Clark. Nakadagdag siya, no? Sobrang laki ng impact niya. May mga nanonood naman before pero mas dumami lang ngayon. Ayun, ng isa pang Donruss. Ang isa nyo pang target exclusive parallel. Caitlin Clark, yan yung target, I believe. Ayan, no? Teka lang, hindi madilim. Ayan. Bullocks naman team niya. Saka Cameron Brink. Oo nga, Cameron Brink. Yes, Sir Warren, tama. Si Angel Reese din. Isa sa mga nakikilala sa WNBA na ka-rookie. Caitlin Clark with the Hawkeyes champions. Raining Trees. Ba, meron pang Raining Trees. Nice one. And the journey begins. Nice one, for Caitlin Clark H1. You got a Raining Trees. So, maganda at bagay na bagay sa kanya itong insert na to. Raining Trees. Bullocks naman team. Yan yung babawi yan. Mga kabawi rin sana. Si Lebron masyadong dominant. Again, maraming salamat kay Sir Pinoy Collector. Ayun ang mga parallels yun. Autograph, no? Sana autograph. Uy! Ano to? Oh, may ganito. Nice! Panini Authentic. Exclusive home for Caitlin Clark signed memorabilia. So may ganito sila. Ilagay ko na lang din to, Sir Pinoy Collector, sa sleeves. Ayan. Lahat naman yan i-sleeves natin. Nakakatuwa pala mag-open na ito. Hello, 13 million viewers. Ayun, may nakapuso. Caitlin Clark, Hawkeyes with the heart. Dito walang Caitlin Clark highlights. 3-time unanimous All-American. Uy, babaeng babae si Caitlin Clark dito. Nice one. And another one. Iowa's Miss Basketball. Second copy. Ooh, select. Ganda. Ganda nito. It's like a chrome card. Caitlin Clark with the... Ayun makapal siya. Medyo makapal. Ganda. Artistic Impressions. Nice one. Ang ganda nito. Artistic Impressions. Ayan po. Prism. Tingnan natin later yung Caitlin Clark. Contenders. Campus Legends. And ayun, all-time women scoring mark. Ito yung ito yung very iconic. Lahat yan, Sir Pinoy Collector, sleeves natin, ha. Ganda eh. So, yung mga hits natin. Lagyan natin dito. Oops, sorry. Tingnan ko lang yung artistic selections. Impressions pala. Ba't iba yung nandito? Hindi ko makita. Hindi ko mabasa. But still, a good hit. Ganda, ang ganda nito, ganda nito. Yung naka-dress maganda. Maganda yung naka-dress, Babaeng babae si Caitlin doon. Pero itong ganda nito. This has a nice card. Ano rin siya, medyo makapal. Mga prism, well, select, alam naman natin, select fields type of card. Yung mga white, yung mga Donruss, yung mga stock, paper stock, parang ganun. A buzzer beater versus Indiana. Yun, ganda nito. Nag-champion sila. Caitlin Clark. School colors. Another one, pero yun ang iba yung kulay. This one is naka-pink. And another Caitlin Clark. Contenders, marami. Donruss at saka contenders ang marami pala. Na like, type of card. Boss Ben, may Caitlin Clark. Last box. Second box tayo. Para kay Sir Pinoy Collector. Good luck. Collegiate license product. Ayan, nakalagay. Meron niya sa box. Dalawa pa yung Caitlin Clark. Ayun to, yung isa ulit na parang ano bang tawag sa ganito? Brochure ba? Hindi naman brochure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Parang marketing item nila. So you can scan the QR code. Pag box na yan walang Caitlin Clark. Scam. Uy, Caitlin meron. Merong Caitlin, meron. The GOAT, Caitlin Clark. Yun yung champion ulit. Reigning 3 ulit, second copy. Ito. Caitlin Clark and another Caitlin Clark. Tiba-tiba ng ayawa ang Caitlin Clark natin Second copy na po ito for the reigning 3s. Sana makakuha pa tayo ng ng numbered naman. Or ang hiling ni Sir Pinoy Collector ay autograph. 11 million viewers. Mukhang busy yung mga tao natin ngayon, mga members natin. Or hindi lang kasi talaga sanay na maaga tayo nag-live. Same. Kanina, ayan ulit, Caitlin Clark, point guard. Third copy, was Miss Basketball and Hawkeyes na bata pa siya. Ay, teen, ano ba yung tagan? Pre-teen, Pre-teen. Mukhang pre-teen siya. Ito na ata yung Target exclusive. Ito na nga. Uy! Top pick in the draft. Nice one. Wait lang po. Wait lang po. May tumatawag lang po. May tumawag. Wait lang po. Hello po. Yes po. Sige po. Apa. Alright, sorry, may tumawag lang. Eto na ang Caitlin Clark. May case hit ba dyan? Meron pong mga SSPs po dito, like yung mga Razzle Dazzle, I believe SSP po yun. But this time, it's a top pick in the draft. Ganda nito. Congrats kay Sir Pinoy Collector. Another Campus Legends. Second copy. Another all-time woman scoring mark, and this one is the first time na nakita natin. Ganda. Autograph, Caitlin, sana meron. At saka okay yung mga SSPs, sana meron. Caitlin Clark. Ito, ganda nito. Top pick in the draft. Tapos Target parallel po yan. Target exclusive parallels. Ito na lang natin yung isang school colors. 3 more packs para Sir Pinoy Collector for the Caitlin Clark. 2 boxes, blaster boxes. Another crunch time for Caitlin Clark. Pero bakit parang iba yung kanina? Check ko nga, sorry, hindi ko pala na ano yun. Iba nga. Iba yung kulay. This one is a crunch time na naka-dark jersey. Away jersey. SSCT1. This one, Caitlin Clark. SSCT2. Alright. So, iba. Magkaiba. A buzzer beater versus Indiana. The championship celebration. And another school colors. Caitlin Clark. Grabe, humakot yung Caitlin Clark ah. Humakot si Caitlin. Ready na, be? Did you get it na po? Grabe yung Caitlin Clark, humakot. Dito natin lagay yung crunch time. Dito na lang. Last 2 packs. Hindi pa lumabas yung isang Target exclusive. So I think nasa kabilang box. Nasa kabilang pack pala. Caitlin Clark, bound for national title game. This one is a nice card. And Campus Legends. Caitlin Clark, contenders. Wala tayong numbered, wala pa. Sana meron sa last pack. Campus Legends. Dito ako nilagay yung Campus Legends. Iba-iba pala yun, no? Oh. Merong itim, merong white. Last pack para kay Sir Pinoy Collector. Again, Sir Pinoy Collector, maraming salamat sa tiwala. Andito na nga yung isang Target exclusive. Tiwala ninyo sa Earthballers. At maraming salamat din po sa support na binibigay nyo sa Earthballers. Here we go! Uy, iba to ah. Caitlin Clark signing an autograph. Nice one. Uy, season ticket. Yun na iba. Season ticket, Caitlin Clark. Another Caitlin Clark and another Caitlin Clark. School colors. Wala tayong nakuhang autograph, Sir Pinoy Collector. At wala rin po tayong nakuhang number. Sayang. Bawi tayo sa sunod. But still, good hits for your Caitlin Clark cards. Daming. So, dalawang Target parallels, exclusive parallels. Para sa inyo. Ayan, recap natin. Ganda nito. Oops, sorry. Okay, Caitlin Clark, recap, crunch time on white jersey. This one is on away jersey, crunch time. Home jersey, Campus Legends, and dalawang Campus Legends na away jersey. School colors na dark lining at saka isang pink Siguro alternate to. Alternate jersey. At isang dark. Jersey, away jersey. Ito, second copy ng pink. Dalawang Raining Trees. Ito, ganda sana nito kung numbered or parallel. Ganda nito, feeling ko. Raining Trees. Bagay na bagay sa kanya. Ito yung Blaster exclusive sa Target, no? Target, Target Parallels. Number 7, signing Caitlin Clark. This one is another Target. Highlights. Bound for the national title game and top pick in the draft. Nice one. Ganda nito. Ganda nito ang dalawang to. Highlights. And eto, for me, ito yung pinakamagandang card. Artistic Impressions. Caitlin Clark. Ayun pala yun, no? Artistic Selections. Yun pala yun. Yun na nga yan, nandito. Artistic Selections. I think we got some SP. This one is, I believe, is a short print. Kasi Fearless Artistic Selections, Razzle Dazzle, Record Breaker on Campus. Alam ko yung Razzle Dazzle Record Breaker on Campus, mga SSP yan eh. So, not sure dahil naka-line up siya sa Fearless at saka Artistic Selections. Not sure if this is SP. I-check natin ha. Pero this is a very nice and very clean card for Sir Pinoy Collector. So maraming salamat Sir Pinoy Collector. Thank you. Ang ganda. Picturean ko tong tatlo. Ganda nito. So we could like post it. Maraming pong salamat. And we'll end the live here. See you sa live. Di pala. Sa drop mamaya. Bukas pa pala ang live if ever. No? So sa drop mamaya it's 9 p.m. Isang Elite International tsaka isang Optic Retail box tayo. So see you later 9 o'clock p.m. Peace out and have a great night everyone.